Ready? Okay, step one, open up the junction box. So we'll remove these two screws. Be careful not to lose the screws. Okay, in this junction box, this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. I'll verify that with this multimeter. I set it on volts DC. See, we get positive voltage here. And for the purposes of this video, I'll mark it with a red and a black piece of tubing. Positive, negative. Now we'll pass the home run cable through the cord grip and into the box. So I first loosen the cord grip. And see that some of the jacket of the home run cable actually enters the box. Then I tighten the cord grip. And the cord grip will squeeze around the cable and hold it tight. Okay? Now I'll prepare the cable. And what you want to do is bend a little crook into the wire. Now you can see the finished product, ready for screwing onto the terminals. So I have the crook bent in the wire, and I do it so that when I turn the screw, the crook will tighten this way. This is the short end of the crook. I put the screw in here with the washers. I get it ready, put it into the proper threaded hole, and screw it in nice and tight. Make sure it's good and tight. This is a good strong junction box, so you can crank on it pretty good. And you can see that I've got both wires seated properly on the correct terminals. The positive is this one here. The negative side is this one here. After that is nice and secure, close the junction box. Put the screws in nice and snug. And then we want to give it some strain relief. We put a little bend in the wire. This is called our drip loop, so that when the solar panel is installed, any water will not go up, because this is at the top, but it will drip off the wire. And we can use either utility wire or a zip tie to snug up the home run cable. That way, if anybody puts any stress on the home run cable, it will not hurt the junction box. It'll be taken up by here, and then we just snip it off and we're done.